Let me show you something most people don't realize yet. What you're looking at right now was created from one single prompt. Same character, same environment, 9 different camera angles. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn that into a full cinematic video step by step, using tools that are already available right now. If you're a video creator making cinematic videos, a designer creating album covers, building e-commerce product TVCs, doing professional studio-style portrait photography, or even creating character dialogue story videos, this might completely change your workflow. And today we are talking about 3x3 grid image. To create this kind of 3x3 grid storyboard image, we're going to use Nano Banana Pro. You can actually use any tool or app that gives you access to Nano Banana Pro. In this tutorial, I'll be using Google Flow. And here's why. I'm not using Gemini, because images generated in Gemini come with a watermark, while images generated in Google Flow do not. That alone saves us an extra step. Alright, inside Google Flow, click Create Image, then click Settings. Aspect ratio, choose Landscape, 16:9. Output per prompt. I choose 2, so we can pick the better one. Model, choose Nano Banana Pro. And you'll notice something interesting here. Nano Banana Pro in Google Flow costs 0 credits, which means it's free if you're on the Pro plan. Nice. Once the settings are done, we need the image prompt. I've already prepared a complete copy and paste prompt. It starts with a cinematic 3x3 grid presenting multiple camera angles, 16:9. This prompt has 3 main parts. Part 1, subject and location. This is where you describe the character's appearance, clothing, and the environment. You can freely modify this section to match whatever theme you want. Part 2, shot types for each frame. This section defines how each frame is composed. For example, extreme close-up medium shot, over-the-shoulder wide shot, high angle, top-down low-angle profile, 3/4 rear view, full back view. Of course, you can change these to any camera angles you prefer. Part 3, lighting and style. This part controls the visual mood. For example, cinematic neon rim lighting, controlled contrast, cool cyberpunk color palette, cyan, magenta, violet, realistic skin tones, minimal bloom, soft atmospheric fog, shallow depth of field, professional cinematic framing. This section locks in the lighting, tone, and atmosphere. And don't worry, if you're not good at writing prompts, that's totally fine. Later in the video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to rewrite this prompt into any style you want. Final constraints section. At the end, we add constraints like consistent subject appearance across all frames, film still aesthetic, professional cinematography reference sheet style, ultra-realistic photography, Nano Banana Pro plus optimized realism. Images stacked together with no grid lines and no borders. No text. This ensures same character, same environment, across every frame. Alright, copy the prompt. Go back to Google Flow, paste it in, and bam. Now we get 2 3x3 storyboard images. Pick the one you like most and download it to your computer. Now here's something important. When you zoom in, you'll notice each individual frame is not very sharp, especially the wide shots. The face can be hard to see. So the next step is critical. Splitting and upscaling the frames. We need to separate all 9 frames, then upscale them individually. I just used the system's built-in crop tool and cut each frame out one by one. Once that's done, go back to Google Flow, click the plus button, and upload the cropped frame. Then type this prompt. Upscale this image to 4K resolution. For frames where the face is already clear, this works perfectly. Important face fix. Pay attention here. The fourth frame is special. If the face is blurry, here's how we fix it. This part is very important. Upload the blurry frame as image 1, a clear face frame as image 2. Then use this prompt. Upscale image 1 to 4K resolution, facial reference to image 2. This keeps the face sharp and consistent while upscaling the image. Turning images into video. Now we're ready to generate video. I tested both Kling AI and Veo 3.1. And honestly, Kling AI follows video prompts better. So we'll use Kling AI. I've already created animation prompts for all 9 frames, including sound prompts. I'll share these for free. You'll find the link in the video description. Copy the first animation prompt. Go to Flex Clip, select the Kling AI 2.6 model. Upload the frame image, paste the prompt. Duration, 5 seconds. Visibility, private click, generate. In about 2 to 3 minutes, your clip is ready. Repeat this for all frames. Final editing. For editing, I use CapCut, but honestly, you can use any editor you like. There's no complicated technique here. You can trim parts you don't like, add transitions, or just export directly. Creating other themes. Now the big question. Once you have my prompt template, how do you create other themes? It's simple. Go to ChatGPT and enter a restructuring prompt. For example, rewrite the prompt using the same format, but I need to change it to the protagonist being a young, in 20-something female boxer from America. Underground boxing match scene. Nano Banana Pro 16:9 version. Paste the original prompt below it. ChatGPT will rewrite everything for you. The same goes for animation prompts. Just type, convert this into Kling image to video prompts, 9 shots, to make a 1-minute underground boxing teaser trailer. And now you have a custom Kling animation set. If this sounds interesting, I highly recommend you try it yourself. Using this same method, you can create e-commerce product TVCs, editorial lookbooks, stylized album covers, dialogue-based short videos. For these use cases, I've prepared a 30-page PDF with Nano Banana Pro prompts and image references. If you're interested, check the link in the video description to get the full PDF.
So, we've been sitting here for a while now.
Yeah, us. Long enough to watch this video, but somehow still not long enough to subscribe.
Subscribe to what?
You know? Monetize with AI. You've been watching this way too long.
And you still didn't subscribe.
That's emotionally irresponsible. Fix it.
Subscribe. Like. Monetize.
With AI.